Hello, I do not have my lyrics or chords on me right now, so this is gonna be a bit shit. I'm doubting your loyalty, just that you cannot be careful these days. I have to wonder if it's more to do a fatal flaw. So willing to find a broken life like mine to yours. I just woke up, my voice sucks. No more strikes until I'm out. Guess I'm luckier than most. I bet you're quite surprised that I wasn't the first to go. Now the watches are at hand and they're clamoring for a show. Maybe from bloody deserts and something peaceful might just grow. Oh, what a future I'll hope. I crawl back every time. Can your friendship be bought with flowers? They won't last that long out here, but neither will I. So how much destruction when I'm burning bridges and slamming closed doors? One more strike and then I'm out. Guess I'm luckier than most. I bet you're not surprised that I wasn't the first to go. That went wrong, and now the watches are at hand and they're clamoring for a show. Maybe from blood might just grow. Oh, what a future I'll hold. End up when the clock strikes red. No friendship is strong enough, and you don't deserve the guilt but with you I don't wanna fight. So if I pull my punches, will you forgive me in the afterlife? And then I'm out. Guess I'm luckier than most. I bet you're not surprised. It's you who lays the parting blow. And now the watches are at hand and they're clamoring for a show. Maybe from blood in deserts and something peaceful might just grow. Sorry for the yawning. Like I said, I just woke up and thanks.